Let me show you how we can adjust the brush color in Photopea. So head to the brush tool. At the very top you can change the size and hardness, but you cannot see the active color. You must pay attention to the active color here below your tool panel. Click on it and then you will be able to move around the spectrum. Select the color you like. Here it is. Adjust the brush and then you are ready to brushing. Here it is. If you want to change the color, again, click here. Modify the color brush. You can modify the brush itself. You can make it a bit softer. And we got a new color. Of course, you can also switch to the color tab at the top right. This will also help you to change the color, and it's a bit quicker because we don't need to click twice. So remember, adjust the color before you start using the brush. Adjust the color, use the brush. On the right side, you can also find a brush tool when you can change the tip of your brush, so it looks like different material. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.